Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2.
Welcome back, Griddle Cook, Eat and More. It is time to make some bacon wrap bacon. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna bacon wrap some pork belly, and we're gonna do it burnt in style. So let's get on it. So we got some pork belly here. Obviously I'm not gonna use the whole thing, but we're gonna slice this off some strips here. Probably yay thick. Looks good to me. Something like that. All right, I got one fat one, a couple smaller ones. So let's make some pieces here. Something good to wrap in bacon. All right, beautiful. Throw these in a bowl here. Get some mustard on them. This will help easier apply the mustard to it. Good. These mixed up. Down on the bowl. All right, so let's get these bad boys seasoned up here. We're going to use strawberries. So what I want to do is I want to season these up, and then we're going to wrap them in bacon, and then we're going to put another rub on top of that. So for the base layer, we're going to do strawberries here. All right, now it's time to get them wrapped. I'm probably figuring half a slice. Maybe even less. Got a bigger piece there. Oh, looks like I got two pieces. There we go. Yeah, I think a half a slice will work. All right, there we go. We got them bacon wrapped. So last but least, we're going to do some Texas sugar by Meat Rub. Get a little sweetness on the outside. All right, we'll get these little sugar on them, and we'll just get them on this rack here. All right, we're going to be cooking these on the Z Grill 7002 C2E. I'm getting it heated up to 250 degrees. It's about 244 right now, so close enough for me. So let's get this outside and get them on. All right, got it on the Z Grill. We're gonna get those things going. Gonna get it till that bacon's nice and crisp looking like that, and from there we'll transfer them in a pan. We'll do some sauce, brown sugar, whatever we want. Throw some butter in there and any other goodies I feel like throwing in there. And then we'll get those bad boys up to around 200 degrees internal temp. And then from there, I want to take them out of the pan, put them back on a rack, and then tighten up that sauce on there, a little glaze. So that is it for now. We'll meet you back out at the smoker. I don't know, we'll give them an hour and a half, go check on them, see how they're looking, and we'll keep on moving. All right, been in a little over 2 hours probably. I think we're pretty good to get them pulled and oh yeah, that's pretty damn good right there. Let's take them inside and get them in its little barbecue butter brown sugar bath and get it back on the smoker. All right, here we go. This thing's smelling good. Bacon's pretty crisp, so let's get them in the pan here and get them dressed up. Get them back on that smoker for a little bit. All right, so let's hit them up with some sauce. I got this St. Louis made sauce, Patriot sauce here. We're gonna get them sauced up here. And I got a little backup sauce if this isn't enough, but I think will be good once we add the butter in there and all the juices. Get some brown sugar. Looking good right there. We're gonna put a little kick into it. We're gonna add this Kinder's Chili Crunch. So why not? A little spicy, but get a little kick on the backside. Get some butter. That should be good. And for good measure, we'll add a little more barbecue sauce. Got this, not sure what it is, Kansas City style. Something I bought and I threw in the squirt bottle for something. So in the fridge, let's use it. All right, I think that looks good. All right, get it covered up here and get it back on the Z grill. Probably go, I don't know, 45 minutes, an hour or so. Pull them, put them back on for a little bit, get that sauce tacked up, and I think we'll be good to go. All right, let's get them back on the grill. Let's check them out. Oh yeah, let's get them pulled off here. There we go. All right, we're gonna get them inside and then take a few pics and we're gonna give them a taste. All right, the time has come to give these a try. So just pulled them off the Z Grill smoker. Basically cooked them for, I don't know, about a little over 2 hours, just on a rack. Pulled them off, put them in the pan, added brown sugar, butter, barbecue sauce, and a little Kinder's Chili Crunch seasoning. Cooked there about 45 minutes in the pan covered. Pulled them off out of the pan, put them on the rack, about 20 minutes, kind of tack up the sauce. So here we are. Never smoked pork belly at home. I've had it different ways, but never in the barbecue style, to be honest. So first time, I know this restaurant a long time ago used to do this as a special. They called it bacon wrap bacon. So here we go, we're gonna give it a try. But I never got a chance to get it because I never went there when they had the special, but here we go. Bacon wrap bacon, baby. Oh yeah, that is super good. I mean, that pork belly just melts in your mouth underneath that bacon. Got a nice little smoke flavor to it, thanks to the Z Grill 7002 CE that we cooked it on. Man, super good. Let me get another one of these in my mouth here. I mean, it just melts in there. Oh, good. Doubled up them rubs on there. Get a little chili crunch, so it's got a slight bit of a spiciness. Not too bad, but nice subtle to that brown sugar and that sweetness. I'll definitely be doing these again. Got plenty of pork belly left. Bought a whole slab of it. That way I'll have some to smoke up later. Maybe do something different next time, but yeah, definitely good. However, thank you to Z Grills for supplying me the grill to make these beautiful little pork specimens. And then I'm gonna sit down and enjoy a few more of these here. Probably gonna be my dinner tonight. And that is it for this video. Until next time, I am out.